Hey guys, this is Tech Brothers. We continue to review new gadgets from Xiaomi presentation. We already made videos about Xiaomi Mi Band 3 fitness tracker, Mi 8 SE smartphone. You can find them by the links in description. Today we want to talk about Mi VR Standalone headset. As you may know, Xiaomi is cooperating with Oculus company for a long time. They already released first gadget called Oculus GO. This time, Xiaomi decided to release its own VR standalone headset. What makes it interesting compared to previous VR gadgets? Let's find out. Until now, Xiaomi Mi VR standalone headset is available only in China, so it comes in a white box with Chinese inscriptions and image on the front side. The back side of the box is black, and here you can read specifications and main features of new gadget. On side, there is an image of most popular VR apps, games, and other services. When you open the box, you will see VR headset and motion-sensitive controller. Also there is another black box with charger, USB cable, user manual, and special silicone sticker to use headset with glasses. As for the design of Xiaomi Mi VR headset, it looks almost the same as Oculus GO. Both gadgets were made by joint efforts of Xiaomi and Oculus, so Xiaomi VR headset cannot be called a clone or something like that. VR headset is made of aluminum material and it makes some cooling effect. It looks more premium and stylish than previous models from Xiaomi. On the right side, you can see 3.5mm audio jack and micro USB port. Also there is Oculus logo. Of course, if you want the best sound experience, it is better to use headphones, and 3.5mm audio jack will be useful. But if you don't want to use headphones, then Xiaomi Mi VR headset has built-in speaker. It provides 360° stereo sound. The fabric elastic strap is very comfortable to touch and even use on your head. On the top you can see power button, volume rocker, and power indicator to connect with phone app. The headset weighs about 420 grams. I cannot say it is too much, and it should not make a problem while a long usage. As for the controller, it is made of the same materials and colors as VR headset. It has two buttons on the front side, back and circle, the touchpad above it. The touchpad is used to select. From the other side you can find a trigger-like button for playing games. Now let's talk about specifications. New Xiaomi Mi VR headset is standalone device, so you don't need to insert the smartphone or connect to computer to use VR headset. It is powered by Snapdragon 821 chipset and comes with 3GB of RAM, 32 or 64GB of storage. As for the display, it is a big advantage of Xiaomi Mi VR headset. It is fast-switch LCD display with 2K resolution, 2560 by 1440 pixels, and up to 72 Hz refresh rate. New gadget is equipped with distance and inertial sensors. By the way, VR headset uses Fresnel lenses from Oculus. It is a special modulated diffractive optical system. Okay, it sounds very good, but what about apps? Right now, there is a library with over 100 games and apps. You can download and install them from Oculus Store. This is enough for most users, but manufacturer promises to add even more in future. The price of new Xiaomi VR headset starts from $235. I want to note that almost the same Oculus GO costs from $200, however it is very hard to buy outside of US. Xiaomi Mi VR headset is a good option for people all over the world. So for about $230 you will get standalone VR headset with stylish and comfortable design, powerful hardware, and more than 100 available games and apps. Waiting for official release to buy. The link will be in description. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.